It has been about 8 months since I last uploaded a video. And honestly, I have been putting off making this one. Coming back after being gone for so long feels strange, especially because a lot has changed since my last upload. I am not quite ready to start using my own voice in videos again, but I also did not want that to become another reason to keep waiting. So I built something to help me get started. This is a small script narrator I made using Python. I can write a script, run the program, and have it create the narration for a video. The voice you are hearing right now was made using that program. It is a fairly simple project right now, but it is also the reason I was finally able to sit down and start making this video. While I have been away from YouTube, I have been learning a lot and changing the kinds of things I want to work on. One of the biggest changes is that I recently moved my main computer over to Fedora Linux. I have tried Linux before, but this time I wanted to actually use it as my main operating system. I have been learning more about the terminal, installing and managing software, customizing my desktop, fixing problems, and getting my development setup working properly. I definitely do not know everything yet, but that is part of what has made it interesting. Every time something breaks, I normally learn something new while trying to fix it. I have also been working on several Python projects. Some are useful tools like this narrator, while others are bots, experiments, or ideas that I am slowly turning into real projects. One of those projects is a Discord music bot that I run from an older laptop. Instead of letting that laptop sit unused, I installed Linux on it and started turning it into a small home server. Right now, it runs the music bot, but I eventually want to use it for things like file storage, a local media server, and other services that I can access from devices around the house. It is not a powerful computer, but learning how much I can do with older hardware has been surprisingly fun. That is mostly what I want this channel to be about now. Learning Linux, building projects, finding uses for older computers, experimenting with Python and other technology, and showing the entire process, including the parts that do not work the first time. I am still figuring out exactly what every future video will look like. I am still learning how to record everything, how to explain what I am doing, and even how often I will be able to upload. But I did not want to wait until everything was perfect. This video is not a huge comeback announcement. It is just the first step toward creating again. And this time, instead of only showing the finished result, I want to bring you along while I learn how to build it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.